Hey everyone, good morning. Happy 8th anniversary to me. I thought I'd do a quick tip. We have unpacked now, and so I'm starting to get everything organized in my office. And I wanted to share how I'm organizing something in my office. I've got these great built-ins. One of the mistakes I see that people make a lot is they adopt tips that work for someone else. Like a lot of people have jumped on the Marie Kondo bandwagon. I think she's groovy, but not everyone can answer, does it spark joy? That's just for some people isn't going to work. And so people try to adopt tips that maybe their friends have done or that everyone else is doing, and then it fails. And they wonder, well, is there something wrong with me? No, there's nothing wrong with you. You didn't organize how it made sense to you. So I'm going to show you a great example of how I chose to organize something and share how other people might organize it. So hopefully that'll make a little sense. I'm really visual. So let's turn around and look at my shelves of plant. So I've been studying plant medicine. And so I have, as you can see, have my teas. I have 2 shelves devoted. So these are all my teas. See, lots of groovy things. And then I've got my books. I have been I'm okay on salves. I've got to get a little bit better. Tinctures that I brought. I have some herbs for ceremonies, some incense, and then my jars. Now, a quick tip. If you're making tea, put a knife in because you get that water super hot, and if you put a knife in a glass jar, it won't break. Now, some people might have their teas in the kitchen. Some people might be like, oh no, all my books have to stay together. And other people might have a craft area, say, where they would put all of their tea items, and ignore if you see any of the other shelves because, again, I'm still getting organized, and tinctures. But what made sense to me was to kind of group all the teas and then all the accessories and things I do use into one area. I didn't want them a separate space on the bookshelf. That's just what made sense to me. So I grouped all the like stuff together. All this that I just shared with you are for my plant medicine course. So that's kind of my plant medicine shelves. And so again, just a tip for today is organize how it makes sense to you. Don't try to adopt what someone else is doing. You have to make it work for you and your lifestyle and what's best for you. Go out, clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire. And if you need a little more support, check me out at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. I work virtually as well.